electronic banking system. That's why we cannot disclose any sensitive information po as of this moment. Okay? And then for legalities din po, magpo-forward po kami sa inyo para at least meron po kayong references. Baliwanag?
Okay. What's your name again?
Come again?
What's your name?
Kay Meseda po. Kilo Alpha Yankee Echo, Meseda.
Okay. K?
Okay, yes.
Okay. This is actually like the third scam call I received, both with iPhone 14.
Are you sure po ba?
Oh, yes. Yes, because I don't have a credit card account.
If you want po, mag-forward po kami via email po.
You have a Union Bank email and you have my email?
Yes. I-forward ko po sa inyo, hold it up po.
Ano na siya ta? Katulad na siya nga call.